when you don't have internet connection. And in Windows 10, it says that the network cable is disconnected. If you connect usually via Ethernet, and surely your cable is in good condition, it's pretty disconcerting that this happens to us, that it tells us the network cable is disconnected and we can't connect to the internet. So surely what you see when you want to use the browser is something like this screen we have here. Well, I am going to explain how to solve it in a very simple way. I want to invite you to, if it works for you, please, you can give it back by subscribing. And we are going to see how the icon that is shown to you in your taskbar down here. In mine, I am connected to the internet, but you surely see this icon. That is like a planet, a world, with a symbol of forbidden. And then you realize naturally that you can't connect. How to solve it without installing new controllers? In many videos you are going to see that they tell you that you have to install a new controller, which is a little strange because in reality if you don't have internet you can't install new controllers unless you have downloaded them previously. And in that case it wouldn't be new either, that is, without a device that has internet connection. This solution is usually not viable. And in most videos you are going to find that they tell you install or update the controller. But mostly this problem occurs because in your device manager you have to check and surely change there an option. That may be as we are going to see below. The first thing you have to do is, here, where the magnifying glass is, put administrator. Of devices. When you start typing anyway it will appear. Let's click for the device manager to open. And I want to show you how. This one that I am showing here says OneNote. For Windows 10, you see that the icon. Now we are selecting it, it is seen in light blue. That the icon of these printers, I am putting them only as an example. All those that are in print queue are correct except the one that says OneNote for Windows 10 that has an arrow down. That icon with an arrow down is what surely you will see in network adapters when you look for your network card. In my case it is this Qualcomm that you see up here, and mine is correct because I have already enabled it. But most of the times when you cannot connect to the internet via Ethernet is because this network adapter will appear with this icon as you see here. In that case, simply, what you have to do is look up here, this same icon, the arrow down, and press it. Pressing it will change state. I am going to do it here with OneNote. Enable device. And you see that here. Now, as all other printers enabled, this is what you have to do with the network card. You will see that the arrow is the one that enables. That arrow icon that you have up there enables and disables that particular device. And in our case, surely you will find that when you do this, you will be enabling the network adapter in the device manager. If immediately your icon does not change to this one that is down here, the network one with network access, and you recover the internet connection, you can try unplugging the router or the mobile you have and reconnecting it, or eventually restarting. And after doing these two things, you will have again your connection. to the internet, as you normally have. And you will see that it was not necessary to update controllers, let alone download them from foreign websites, or waste a lot of time looking for them in another device and reinstalling them. Is only this that we have shown here. I hope it really solves your problem, that you get back to the internet very fast. And please subscribe, with this you help a lot. Share this video if you liked it. And if you activate the bell, you will see other videos of these in the future. Thank you very much.